Hi everyone, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, sinking funds, savings challenges, all that good stuff. And starting in April, we'll be going over my debt and my plans for my debt. And we're going to go through the process of you watching me pay this off together. There are two large challenges I'm doing, which is the 100 envelope challenge and the $10,000 challenge, are all going to go to my debt as soon as I've accomplished the totals. And like I said, I want to pay off my debt hopefully by the end of the year, no later than what month is this? Next March. So wish me luck, but I'm going to work hard towards that. So this week we're going over our budget. Last week we closed out the week and we were off by $10. Couldn't figure out how I'm off by $10, but we just move on. It's not a huge amount, so we just move on. So we bought over $40.89, and I've decided that at the end of the month, since it's my final paycheck, whatever's left over in my account will be placed in a savings, a challenge, or something. We're going to zero out our budget every month. Every week we're going to carry over the leftovers. So this week I budgeted $960 for my paycheck. It only came $990.87. My second income, which is always $150. Unforeseen something else change. And this week, we're adding $600 in tax refund to our income, and we're going to do a little extra for our sinking funds and challenges. So that video will be coming by Friday, because I have to make time to go to the bank to get my cash and all that good stuff. And then I sold two little things on eBay with an income of $43.97. So the things we're paying this week are, of course, my susu. Think of this as a challenge too, I guess, because it's kicking my butt. We're also going to pay our cable vision, which is phone and cable and Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi. Internet and phone. Then we'll also be doing travel. We budgeted $40, but again, my buddy only took $30 for gas. Storage, we're not paying this week. All the stuff I leave blank, we're not doing this week. Our sinking funds, let's do in order. Let's see. Our car down payment, we do our $20 as usual. I said I'm adding that as a bill so I can always pay it or budget it in my budget. So our wallet is going to get this week, since we have extra cash from our taxes, we're going to put 100 to groceries, 25 to eating out, $10 to household, $10 to giving this time, and spending for me, we're going to do $55. And like I said, my rollover we're going to put in our fund envelope at the end of the week, and other rollover will go in one of the challenges or savings. An emergency, we're going to just do 10. So we're paying our susu, cable vision, travel, car down payment. And our sinking funds this week is getting $1,015. And we're not paying any credit card this week. So all this, nothing this week. So we're gonna add up all our expenses and sinking funds and stuff, and see if our week budgeted, what we have left over to go over, or to put in savings once the month ends or this week of budgeting ends. This is the breakdown I'll be having for next video where I'll do my stuffing, and we're gonna do some adding. Ensure that it was actually 1,015. We're actually putting we're filling 2 of my 100 envelope, and we're actually doing 2 of the larger numbers, so that's added up to 193. We're doing 3 numbers on our 52-week challenge, and then our savings. I'm off somewhere. See, I forgot a 20 or something. So this is 120. This is 78. This is passport 197, 193, 132, 250, 25, 20, 10, 15, 1,015, which we already put to the front. That we're gonna reference to tomorrow for our on Friday for our cash stuffing video. So our total income would be 40, 89, 990.87, 150, 600, and 43.97. It gives you 1,825 and 73 cents. Our expenses would be 400, 180 cents, 88 cents, $30 for this is 1,565.88. Then our wallet will have 25, 10, 10. It says $210. So 1825.73 minus 210 minus 1565.88 equals I feel like I'm off $10 again. Am I losing it? Oh, am I losing it? $575. Oh, okay. Now I see where my $10 is at. I didn't actually use all our budget. So this right here would be 1575.88. So we do have a balance left of, we're not going to write our balance yet because since the week of this paycheck is not over yet, we're just going to add what our balance should be for now. And then by the end of the month, we'll see if this is correct. What these things should be? Should be sticky. Oh, I was trying to get the wrong side. So we have 49.85. Just gonna put that there to remind us where we at so far. And like I said, on Friday we're gonna do our cash stuffing, where we'll stuff That's $1,015, and see where our sinking funds are at the moment. And that's it for today's video. Very short and sweet, and I'll see you guys on Friday for my cash stuffing video. If you like the video, just let me know on the bottom. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer them and let you know what's going on. And I'll see you next time. Bye.